a lot of knick-knack thing that I need to correct, because this is the circuit, the outlet circuit that my husband closed it because too many circuits. Inside the room we have like 4 circuits in the room, so he closed this. Once it's closed, I need to skim coat and make sure that I need to touch the wall to the same texture. So this is another work I'm working on today. Besides painting the outlet, we had one here, another one over there. There's too many, so we decided to close one. There's another one over here. I chose the color black because I'm tired of colorful colors. But on this one, I keep it white for my closet. I will look at my closet. It's so messy right now. Right here, it's going to be a barn door. Barn door. I'm not finished yet for my master bedroom. I'm still working on the floor this week. And here's another outlet. So we had 4 in the room. Why so much? Plus for the TV, it's a lot. Here we have, my husband installed the TV already and it's working. My 80-inch TV. I have prepped the windows to be spray paint. So the vinyl is a little beat up, so I want to give a little touch, a little spray to the vinyls. This vinyl here. The picture looks okay, but I want it better. So this is my window in my master bedroom. There's 2 windows, and here is the big ones. Yeah, I'm gonna spray paint it, just give it a little touch. I have prepped them all day yesterday, and now it's getting ready to give them spray paint. I got this spray paint. It's white gloss. This brand. That window it's been 30 years, so it just need a little update and upgrade of a touch of paint. It matters. Alright, I'm satisfied with the paint. See something here, I need to do some more touch up, but I'm satisfied for now. Give my window a little touch, a new paint. It's a vinyl double glass windows. Woohoo, done. It's time to remove the cardboard. Voila! You can see the light sun coming in. The window needs to clean. I haven't cleaned the window yet. But there's another one there. But I'm happy with the spray paint. Alright. Yes, done. Done. Whew. Look a little brand new, but I'm very pleased. I am very pleased. It just needs the window cleaning up. And this is my 2 windows in my master bedroom. I have just complete prep, painting, redo this 2 windows. Woohoo! Coming up with my floor. I'm cleaning all this up today. Put it down. Bring them down. Bring all of these downstairs. So when my husband and I, we're gonna put the vinyl floor, prep for the vinyl floor. As you can see, these ladder, I need to do a little touch up on my ceiling. Very tiny touch up with the little brush right here that I bought. It's just that little roll, the roller that goes up right there, the very corner there. The small corner, it just needs this little roller. It's done, finished. That knick-knack is finished. Now I'm getting ready to do the floor. Clean it all up. This is part 2, my finals. Probably be done by another week to go. Need the underlayment. It'll be done soon. Underlayment. We're gonna do the underlayment. Underlayment.